Tinatanong nila ako, ano daw ang sikreto ng 27 years of marriage? Iniisip ko din kung anong meron ba. Meron ba kaming ginagawang kakaiba? Doon ko lang na-realize na meron. Kailanman hindi namin sinisi ang isa't isa sa pagkukulang ng isa't isa. Pinipili naming umintindi at humikayat sa positibong pagbabago para sa tahimik na pagsasama. Ang lalim, 'di ba? Ito yung di kami nawawalan ng argumento pero pinipili naming pakinggan ang isa't isa. Di kami nawawalan ng problema pero pinipili naming harapin kada isa ng magkasama. Kapag nag-asawa ka na, karamay mo na siya sa hirap at ginhawa. Binigyan ka ng Panginoon ng katuwang, hindi ka palitan sa mga panahong mapapalitan ng luha ang kada tawa. Pinagkalooban ka ng kaibigan hanggang sa hangganan. Ang sikreto namin ni May, tumanda kami ng may kinatandaan ng magkasama. Ako si Lauro at ito ang love note namin ni May. "27 years of marriage. Healthy marriage that is. My love, may mga relationship nang hindi makatawid ng 4 na taon. At sila marriage. 27 years, mapapasana all ka na. Pero alam niyo, my love, totoo nga yung sabi nila, I've known quite a few. O, di ba? Buwan nga lang nagbe-break na, sabi ni May Pindot. Sila 27 years of marriage. As I was saying, I've met a few couples sa lifetime ko that are truly a manifestation of when you have found someone who will choose you every single day, in spite and despite of your shortcomings. Then you can have a healthy and long-lasting kind of relationship. May it be in marriage or kahit hindi man kayo kasal. Basta pipiliin niyo yung isa't isa, things will eventually last. I've seen it happen sa mga older couples that I know. Sila yung para sa akin, simbolo ng healthy marriage. Kasi kapag tinitignan ko sila, para na silang magtropa lang. Hindi sila ganun ka-sweet or sometimes sweet sa isa't isa, but they do celebrate every single milestone of their relationship as if bago pa lang sila. And I thought to myself, I want something like that para sa akin. I want a partner. Not just a boyfriend, not just a potential husband. I want a partner in life. A best friend. Someone I can really count on. Someone that I can be myself without the fear of judgment. I don't want to have any reservations pagdating sa relationship. And I want that for myself. Tinanong ko sila one time, how do you make it last? Sabi nila, it's a work in progress. Dapat yan yung laging status ng relationship ninyo, a work in progress. When you stop working on it, when you start putting effort on it, when you stop trying to make your relationship better, that's when things will go south. Kasi hindi na kayo nagtatry pareho. Pareho na kayong nandun sa complacent na idea that you guys are stable. When in fact, you guys became stagnant. Too used of the routine ng pagiging couple that you forgot to challenge each other, to bring out the best in each other. Nakalimutan yung i-progress yung sarili ninyo individually na naging couch potato na lang kayo sa relationship ninyo, waiting days to go by, and then boom, nakakalimutan nyo na yung romance. Nakakalimutan nyo na yung looking at each other with love, with adoration, na this is the person that I have managed to be with in my effort to be happy hanggang habang buhay. Nakalimutan mo nang tignan yung partner mo with love. Sa sobrang dami ng pag-uusap nyo about the necessities like bills, school tuition, mga kamag-anak ninyo, mga investment, ari-arian, trabaho, business, nakalimutan nyo ng pag-usapan yung isa't isa. So, take this moment. Kunin natin tong sandaling ito. Kung ikaw ay may partner with you or merong kang asawa with you or sabihin na natin na malayo ka kasi nagtatrabaho ka, nagdadrive ka, siguro cab driver ka or grab driver ka, bus driver, jeepney driver, or nakadestino ka kasi gwardiya kang nakikinig, or pahinante ka ng truck pero nakatune in kayo sa Love Radio. I want you to imagine your wife. Huwag kayong pumikit Imagine nyo lang sila habang nag-uusap tayong dalawa. Huwag kayong pumikit. Huwag kayong pumikit para mag-imagine. Mag-imagine lang kayo ng dilata. Imagine the time that you are your happiest with this person. Yung pinakamasaya ka kasama yung taong yun. Because I want you to remember that kind of love that you have found. Minsan kasi sa sobrang busy ng mundo, sa sobrang dami ng problema, sa sobrang dami ng challenges sa atin, nakakalimutan na natin i-appreciate yung person that we are with. The person who is going through life with us. Lagi nating sinasabi, nahihirapan ako, napapagod ako, I'm stressed, I'm exhausted, I'm tired. Pero hindi natin naaalala na meron tayong katuwang that is feeling the same thing. Nadidisregard natin sila kasi nakafocus lang tayo sa own goals natin, mga necessities, mga responsibilities. And I do understand why. Because life is too difficult. That's why sometimes nahihigop tayo ng life to be just busy. Pero from time to time, take a moment to appreciate your partner. Kaya nga sabi ko sa inyo, try to imagine or remember the days, the times that you are at your happiest with this person. And allow yourself to thank the higher power for giving you a partner na just as strong as you are, just as tough as you are, just as resilient in life as you are. Kasi sabi nga nila, my love, sa buhay natin, binibigyan tayo ng mga taong katuwang nang hindi naaayon sa kagustuhan natin, kung hindi inayon sa pangangailangan natin. So sana katulad ni Lauro at May, piliin nyo yung isa't isa sa hirap at ganhawa. Sa mga oras na inis kayo sa kanya, remember why all these years, all this time, you've chosen this person to be your partner. Go back to that thought and look at your partner again. Kapag meron kayong pag-aaway, hindi pagkakasunduan, tignan nyo yung partner ninyo. Is this the person I want to lose? Is this the person I can afford to lose? Whenever nilulugmok ka ng problema, nilulugmok ka ng challenges in life, I want you to remember, sino yung taong nasa tabi mo sa panahong walang-wala ka? Someone who did not judge you for having nothing in life, for having less of what you want. And I want you to appreciate this person. So on your way back home tonight, my love, if ever malayo kayo sa taong mahal ninyo, a simple text would do, a simple chat would do, pero kung kaya nyo silang yakapin, yakapin ninyo. Just say thank you. Thank you for being the partner that I needed. Thank you for being the best friend I've always wanted. Thank you for being my partner and for choosing me each and every day. Kasi hindi sa lahat ng pagkakataon makakahanap kayo ng tao na mamahalin kayo ng sagad at willing lumaban sa inyo, kasama nyo hanggang dulo. Klaro? Klaro.